In a misty, ancient jungle, a tribe of early humans walks silently through the dense trees. Their leader, strong and watchful, leads the way as dawn light breaks through the leaves. Deep in the jungle, a massive ancient python slithers silently through the thick undergrowth. Its huge patterned body glides over roots and leaves, eyes fixed ahead in the golden forest light. A group of early humans marches forward through the ancient forest. Strong and alert, they move together as one, their eyes scanning the dense jungle ahead under the warm morning light. High in the ancient trees, colorful birds perch among ripe red fruits. They call and flutter as the morning sun lights up the lush jungle canopy, while the tribe moves quietly below. Deep in the misty jungle, the tribe pauses on a narrow path. Towering trees loom overhead, vines hang low, and the ground is covered in ancient roots and shadows as they gaze forward in. The tribe freezes in fear as a gigantic python blocks the muddy path ahead. Its massive body coils across the jungle floor, scales gleaming in the dim light, eyes locked on the approaching humans. The leader crawls slowly through the shallow stream, mud clinging to his body. His eyes fixed ahead, face tense with fear, as he inches closer to the waiting giant python in the misty jungle. Close up on the forest floor, thick green moss and ancient mushrooms cover the fallen log. The leader, still crawling, moves silently past the glowing fungi, tension etched on his face in the dappled jungle light. From the shadows of the jungle, a large wild boar emerges, its powerful body moving slowly through the undergrowth. Tusks glint in the dappled sunlight as it snorts and scans the misty forest floor. The wild boar moves slowly through the dense jungle, its heavy body pushing aside vines and leaves. Sharp tusks gleam as it snorts, unaware of the hidden danger nearby in the misty shadows. The giant python strikes, its massive coils wrapped tightly around the wild boar in a deadly embrace. The boar struggles desperately on the forest floor, leaves flying as the snake squeezes harder in the shadowy jungle. The giant python strikes, its massive coils wrapped tightly around the wild boar in a deadly embrace. The boar struggles desperately on the forest floor, leaves flying as the snake squeezes harder in the shadowy jungle. After the struggle ends, the giant python rests coiled around its defeated prey. The tribe watches from the shadows of the towering trees, relief and awe on their faces as the ancient jungle falls silent once more. With the danger gone, the tribe rises and continues their journey. The leader leads the way through the ancient forest, his people following closely behind, stepping forward into the vast, sunlit wilderness once more. The tribe stands in silent awe as the giant python rests, its massive green body coiled peacefully on the jungle floor. Eyes meet the snake's gaze.
The tribe walks on, passing beneath the massive ancient banyan trees. Sunlight filters through the thick canopy, casting golden rays on the path as they move deeper into the timeless jungle, ready for whatever lies ahead.
The massive python raises its head high, towering over the tribe in the heart of the ancient jungle. Its huge, shimmering scales catch the sunlight as the early humans stand frozen below, staring up in silent wonder and respect. Suddenly, the tribe bursts into motion. They run in panic through the jungle as the giant python lunges forward. The massive snake rises high, mouth open wide, chasing the frightened early humans under the thick green canopy. The tribe flees in terror across the jungle floor as the colossal python surges forward. Its enormous head rears up, jaws wide open, chasing the scrambling early humans through the misty trees and tangled vines. The giant python charges forward with terrifying speed, jaws wide open, fangs gleaming. The tribe scatters in sheer panic, running for their lives as the massive beast closes in through the misty, ancient jungle.
In a desperate bid for safety, the leader climbs high up the massive tree trunk. His strong hands grip the rough bark, muscles straining as he pulls himself upward, the roaring python closing in below.
The leader clings desperately to the tree trunk, looking up in terror as the giant python rears its massive head high. Its glowing eyes lock onto him, tongue flicking, coiled body ready to strike from the misty jungle floor. The leader hangs desperately high on the tree trunk, trapped. Below, the gigantic python coils tightly around the massive trunk, slowly rising upward, its enormous head swaying closer, eyes fixed on the helpless figure above in the glowing jungle light. The leader is trapped high in the branches as the gigantic python coils its massive body around the tree trunk. Slowly, powerfully, the snake ascends, its thick, patterned coils tightening, drawing ever closer to the desperate figure above. The leader clings to the high branches, barely out of reach. The massive python's head sways inches away, tongue flicking, eyes locked on him. Its enormous coils tightening around the tree as it slowly stretches upward in the glowing jungle shadows. Suddenly, the ground shakes. A massive triceratops emerges from the misty jungle, its huge, horned head lowered, powerful body charging forward with earth-shaking steps, roaring as the ancient forest trembles around it. The leader grips the thick tree branch with all his strength, body tense and sweating. His eyes wide with fear, he looks down as the massive python coils higher up the trunk, slowly closing the distance in the sun-dappled ancient forest.